Good morning, all of you. Myself, Arpita Deepak Gaikwad. My school name is ZPCPS Patoda. I am in second standard. Today's program president, chief guest teacher, and all my dear friends. Today I am speaking a few words about Lokmanya Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak was an Indian freedom fighter. He was born on 23rd July 1856 in Chikhli, Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. His full name was Keshav Gangadhar Tilak. He was also called Lokmanya Tilak. His popular statement was, "Swarajya is my birthright and I shall have it." Lokmanya Tilak started the newspaper like Kesari and Maratha in English. Tilak wrote many books on
Indian culture.
History, Hinduism. He dedicated his entire life for the service of the country. He started the Swadeshi movement in 1905. He died on
1st August.
1st August 1920 in Mumbai. Immortal in our hearts. Lastly, I want to say here, सिंह गर्जना करायला काळीज पण सिंहाचेच लागते. सिंह गर्जना करायला काळीज पण सिंहाचेच लागते. म्हणून तर लोकमान्य टिळक यांच्या चरणावर माझी मान सदैव झुकते. जय हिंद, जय भारत.